Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to make this log animation with Element 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So I have two vectors like this and select this layer 1, go to layer and auto trace. Okay, then click OK. Okay, see. Masking is done. Then select this layer 2, go to layer, again auto trace and click OK. Nice. Let's hide these all layers and right mouse, new, solid, add name, element 3D and click OK. And go to effect, video couplet and element. Nice. Then open costume layers and costume text and masks. Let's open path layer 1. Select none to auto trace it 1 and path layer 2 change none to auto trace 2. Okay. Then close costume layers. Go to scene setup and let's click this extrude. Nice. Change bevel scale 10. Okay, not bad. And select this extrusion model, Ctrl D for duplicate and go to here, change costume path to. Okay. And move to back. Nice. Then go to make new circle or cylinder. Okay. Select this rotation tool, hold shift and change rotation. Okay. And click this scale tool and select this scale, change scale and this. Okay. Let's select this move tool and move to back. Okay. And again scale tool, scale this cylinder. Okay, nice. Then change scale and selection tool, select this move tool, move to back. Okay. Nice. And for smooth cylinder, let's change sides 60 or 90. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's back to presets, physicals and select this black glass. Let's move to this layer. Okay. Again, select this black glass. Let's use this layer. And back to scene materials, select this black glass, change color to yellow. Click OK and select this black glass. Let's move to use cylinder. Nice. Let's change diffuse 4 or 3. Okay, nice. And back to presets, open environment, version 1 environment, and let's select this. Click here for see environment. Okay. Let's use this or this. Okay. Let's click OK. And go to here, open one group and make new null object for control this 3D object. Okay, select this group null 1 and go to palm behind, move to here, center. Okay, and click selection tool. Let's see, press R. Nice. Okay, let's press P, go to here, move to back this model, and make new position keyframe. Go to first second and move to here. Okay, let's see. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, easy, and hold shift, press R, open rotation, and make all X, Y and Z rotation keyframes. Go to first second, change rotation, Y rotation 45, let's see, or 90. Okay, and change X rotation 95. Nice. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, easy. And go to again first second, change Z rotation 20. Okay, select this all keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Okay, select these last keyframes, move to right. Okay, then close keyframes and select this element 3D, open render settings and open lighting, change none to cinematic, this cinema. Okay, let's open here and change brightness. Okay, and open physical environment and open rotate environment, and we can change X, Y, Z rotations. Okay, then select this element solid, click here for motion blur and click here for enable motion blur. Let's see. Okay, then let's create new background, solid, add name, background, click OK, move to back and go to effects presets, search effect gradient ramp, select this gradient ramp and let's use this background. Okay, change linear map to radial map and swap colors, change color dark blue and move to down these pins. We can change color like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's select this element solid and go to one group and particle look and multi-object. Let's enable and we can change Z rotation for this animation. Let's make Z rotation keyframe and press U for see only keyframes and go to here, change rotation. Select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe as easy. And let's click here. Okay, select these keyframes, move to right. Okay, nice. Let's select this first keyframe, move to left. Let's see again. Okay, nice, not bad. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.